Let's do this. Such a rainy day.
Mommy, after we go to Giant, we're going to Whole Foods?
I don't know.
Ah, it's raining.
All right, let's get inside.
It's raining. It's raining.
Did you close the door?
Yeah. Hi, girls.
She was angry because she didn't want to put on the
All right, let's go.
Oh, I'm in my pajamas that time.
Hold that. Hold that. Oh my.
Lift that top one. No, lift that top one right there.
The piece?
Yeah.
I would break a nail. No, it's entrance.
Oh, never mind.
Go, 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 Jill. Go, 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 go. All right, put her in. Thank you. You ready? Put your belt on, Maddie.
You clip this to my hair.
No, I don't want to.
Look, they're free. I don't want it. Someone touched it.
Oh,
Free orange.
free fruit. So you get the.
Someone touched it.
No, it's free.
It's free, that's it. They might touch it.
It's free. It's already. It's an appeal.
I don't want to.
What do you mean?
I don't want it.
Okay, then you don't have to get it.
Look dry. It's not even dry.
Hi. You ready? What carrot juice?
A carrot with ginger on
Ew.
Do we have cabbage?
Yeah. We
Cabbage?
have cabbage.
it. Do we have carrots?
Yes.
I don't know.
I used it for my Italian.
That's lettuce, child. That's lettuce.
Lettuce.
Exactly the same.
Say hi, guys. Sound quanky.
91. 99. 100.
You're not even behaving yourself. Jackson, can you stop yelling in my ears?
101.
What do you want to do, Maddie?
103.
No, 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 no.
109.
Sit down.
121. 122.
So we just got done
Hi guys.
grocery shopping. Now this little girl is cranky as a cranky butt. I'm cranky. Wanna go back in your seat? Ready, go back in your seat? Give me a kiss.
No, 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 no.
No?
Please. No.
She's like, nope, no mother. Oh Lord, oh Lord.
No.
What are you doing?
Mommy.
What are you doing?
Yes.
Breakfast is served. What did you make, honey? So this is a turkey burger. Turkey burger.
Vegan burger.
This is a vegan burger. Is it bean?
Yeah.
Bean burger, black beans, polenta, spinach, and my shake. And then over here is just condiments. And my husband's having chip with his breakfast. So yeah, thank you, Buns. Keep going. Come on. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Why are you fussing? Why are you fussing? Why are you fussing? Why are you fussing? Alright, JJ, you can turn it off. Good morning. Good morning, sweet bun. Aww. So, we have a lot of boxes packed up on this fine Sunday morning, and then we got a lot of empty boxes right there. So we're making progress. Good morning, Mr. Alberto. Huh? The boxes are taking over. Juju.
Not vegan.
That's what happens when Grandma comes to visit. Maddie! Maddie, look at Maddie holding on to her stash.
I got mine.
You?
Look at them.
What did you get?
This is not vegan.
It's not vegan, but their grandmother bought it. Enjoy your meat.
This is for the chips.
Enjoy your heart attack.
This is for your chips. Grandma got your chips.
What?
No, Dad.
What candy I give you for the
I don't
baby?
know.
Pringles are vegan.
Maddie, where's your candy?
Here.
Yo,
That's
can I
it
get
for-
him off?
that's
So I
it
can
for
put
Jay.
Look at Maddie. Maddie got her
That one
own
for you.
stash. Look at she's
That's
holding
it for
on.
my
Look.
baby.
Look.
That's it for my baby. Good.
Oh, look at you, Maddie. she's like, here, Daddy.
I don't want the cancer.
Mommy, where's my beef stick?
Your what? Your beef stick?
Oh my God!
Where's my beef stick?
I don't know where your
That's
beef.
it,
Oh, right here.
That's it, the chips.
Here.
Eso es tuyo, papá. Y el tuyo, ¿dónde está?
Okay, so this dinner is just zucchini, red bell pepper, green and yellow zucchini, red bell pepper, onion, some seasoning, saute this up, and that's what we're gonna have over some rice. And we're gonna have, what else?
Beef.
Black beans. We're having black beans. So that guy right there. And that's for dinner. So easy, quick and simple. It's an easy way to get the kids eating their vegetable and to get them some bit of, yeah, just one can. So yeah, I just forgot to show you guys what we're eating now since we're vegan. And it's not hard. It's not hard at all to make the switch. I'll see you guys in a little bit.
About what we should have, what me and Jackson should have for lunch tomorrow. If you know it, comment down below.
Anyways, guys, I think I'm gonna end today's video vlog situation. I don't even know what it is anymore. I'm gonna end it today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and welcome to all my new subscribers. Like, I don't know where all of y'all are coming from, but welcome. And if you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and become a friend. And I will talk to you guys on. Why do you have to be so loud, little girl? Why? It's so dark because it's raining outside. It's raining. Why do you have to be so loud? Why? What do you need? Okay, here, let me help you up. Come, give me a hand. What do you need? Me? You need me? No. Bye, Maddie. What do you need? What do you need? Did you drop something down there? Oh, you did. You naughty girl. Naughty girl. What did you trash? What did you trash, Mommy? I'll get it out later. Alright, let's see what you trashed in here. Here you go. Here. No, I'll do it. Here, just take it. I'll do it. Alright, don't put it back in there, okay? It's dirty. Your brothers need to take the trash out. Nope. Go. No ideas. Come on. All you do is mess up the house, Maddie. You better not put it in the trash. I'm not playing. Aaliyah. Don't put it back down. Okay, that's your fault. Nope. Not doing it. Nope. Guys, Guess what's in my cup? Hey! No one is getting it out for you.
Unless I do.
Yeah, you did that.
I'm not gonna go back. No.
We should sanitize that, but hey, you need the germs. No. No. Goodbye. Anyways, guys, like I was saying, we'll go ahead and end the video here. Right now, I'm starting back up lunch videos tomorrow. Pray for me, because them things, I hate them, but people seem to like them. So you gotta give the people what they like, you know what I mean? But I hate doing it. It's not that, I mean, I do enjoy making my kids lunches, but to record it and edit it, I hate editing. That's why I don't do clean with me's. I don't do clean with me's. I don't do any of those tedious where you have to record for a long period of time. I record for 2 minutes and that's it. That's even too long sometimes, but yeah, that's just me. But I'm gonna do it because my channel has been growing since I've been, you know, dipping my little fingers into that kind of like, you know, avenue, I guess you could say. And you gotta give the people what they want, you know what I mean? It's not about me. It's not about this pretty face right here. It's about you, okay? And you came here for a reason, and I'm gonna give it to you, okay? I'm gonna give you why you came here. That don't even make any sense. Maybe I need to keep sipping. Ugh. Okay, back to what I was saying. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm gonna go ahead and end this. I should probably ask you guys a question, right? Like, how much money do you spend on groceries? Because we went grocery shopping, and for a family of 7, I tend to try to keep it under $150 a week. Most times I go over and it's like $200 a week, so it's like $600 a month. Sometimes $700 a month for a family of 7, but I try to keep it under $150 a week because homegirl here has no money, okay? I don't have any money. A bit of an update on the house situation. We don't start building until May. What? We close on the house in May. We don't start building until February, okay? So you guys are gonna see everything. I promise you guys. I'm not withholding any information from anyone, and you guys will see it in due time, okay? In due time. I know some people are like, then why are you talking about it if you don't want to tell us the whole detail? No, no. It's hard for me to keep you guys informed and everyone up to date, because what you see now, someone else later is gonna ask the same thing and be like, you know, and then I'm gonna have to explain to that person. So instead of trying to explain to everybody and their mama why I'm on YouTube, I'm just gonna put it in one video and you can go ahead and watch it there, you know what I mean? Just wait. Everything happened in due season, you know what I mean? Everything happened when it's supposed to happen, okay? Okay? Rome wasn't built in one day. Was it Rome? Or was it Spain? I don't know. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go because I'm rambling. Whoa, 6 minutes. Jeez. I gotta edit that. Later, people. Bye.